Today we'll be looking at atomic structure. So let's start off with what is an atom. So as you can see, I have a little drawing over here of an atom, but let's describe what it is. So an atom has a positively charged nucleus. Now, where is the nucleus in this diagram? It is right here. So this is the nucleus. What does the nucleus have inside of it? Why is it positive? Because it's made up of protons, which is the orange, and then the red is the neutrons. Now it's in the name. Protons are positive charge. Neutrons have no charge. They're neutral. So again, let's go back to what an atom is. So an atom has a positively charged nucleus, and what surrounds the nucleus? They are electrons, which are negative in fixed shells. So let's write that down. So it's a positively charged nucleus surrounded by negatively charged electrons. And these electrons are in fixed shells, which are the black circles over here. So let's just write that down. Held in fixed positions in the shells. So let's just label that. So that is the electron. And then these are the shells. Cool. Another thing we need to know is that the proton, neutron, and electrons come under something called subatomic particles. Let me just highlight that for you guys so you remember that. So whenever they talk about subatomic particles, they mean protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, for the exam, you will need to know the charge of each subatomic particle, and you also need to know the relative mass of each one. So let's just fill that out. So again, what did I say? What was the charge of a proton? It's in the name, positive, yeah? So we would say +1, positive 1. Neutron means neutral, so it has a relative charge of 0. And then electron, as you can see, I said it was negative, so -1. Now in terms of mass, the proton and neutron have the same mass, which is 1 and 1. However, the electron is very, very small. Sometimes people say it's 0, or they could even say it's 0.0005. Thank you.